Now we are solving 24th question of class 10 maths basic sample question paper which is issued by CBSE board. Find the nature of roots of the quadratic equation x square plus 4x minus 3 root 2 is equal to 0. The question is from section B. It is 2 marks question and it is taken from the chapter quadratic equation. The question is find the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus 4x minus 3 root 2 is equal to 0. Now let us solve. It is in the equation is in standard form. The given equation is x square plus 4x minus 3 root 2. Standard form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now let us compare the coefficients. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, c is equal to negative of 3 root 2. So we are asked to find the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation, which depends on discriminant d, which is equal to b square minus 4ac. If it is equal to 0, then the roots are equal to equal real roots. If it is lesser than 0, then the nature of the roots are imaginary, not real. Okay. Now, if it is greater than 0, then the roots are, the quadratic equation has two distinct real roots. Okay, now let us see what is discriminant here. Now let us substitute the values. B is 4, so 4 square. 4 in negative 4 into a is 1, c is negative of 3 root 2. Here 4 square is 16, negative into negative positive, 4 into 3 12 root 2. 16 plus 12 root 2. Now whole of this is it greater than 0 or lesser than 0? It is greater than 0. So the discriminant is greater than 0. The given quadratic equation will have two distinct real roots.